need to waste those orange peels. They need a second life. Lately, I've been going for recipes that are a little more complicated in the kitchen, so today we're going to keep it simple. Our first stop is to the farmer's market. We need to get a fresh orange, and I'm going to take a look and see what they have. Okay, this is where it got a little bit challenging. I had this big, beautiful orange that I got at the farmer's market, and trying to hold on to this thing was I first tried with a microplaner, could not get a good grip, spilled things, just did not go well. Then we transferred to a plate and to like hold that thing down. I was getting a few bits and pieces off there, but it just wasn't working so great. Then we moved to a box grater, which was a little bit more successful. But again, I really had to figure out a grip. I'm just gonna slow-mo on what I ended up doing, which was just sticking my finger right up that orange's butt and holding it from the inside. That was the only way to stabilize. If anyone has any tips for how you get orange peel off a box grater, please let me know. We then mixed that in, and happily ever after. It did get a little messy here, but we pushed through and figured it out. The recipe calls for both orange zest and juice, which fills the room with this beautiful aroma, but it just felt like such a shame to toss the peels at this stage. There was so much flesh still on there, and so I knew I had to make candied orange peels. I recently made candied lemon peels in Paula Velez's Bodega Baked cookbook for her guava lemon bars, which were delicious. And so I had this in the back of my mind. But what I learned is the citric acid is really the key ingredient here if you want to have that sour punch. So definitely go for that. Do not skimp on the citric acid. I did a lot of trial and error here. First, I boiled them in a sugar water solution with a lot less sugar than usual. I then tried to strain out the liquid and put it into the sugar citric acid mixture, but they were still too wet. I probably was being impatient and should have let them dry first, but this didn't happen, so they just became kind of like a gooey mess. Then I decided to bake them. Put them in the oven, and probably about 30 minutes later, they came out looking pretty beautiful, but they needed another coating of the sugar citric acid mixture, just so they weren't like sticking together. So I did that, and at the end of the day, they were delicious. They were chewy, but not sticky. Like they weren't getting stuck in your teeth, just very soft and scrumptious. To display this cake at a dinner party, I probably just would have put all of the sour orange peels on top of the cake in a big messy pile. I think this looks really cool and is a great wow factor.